Fix me. Please fix me. I'm so broken. I'm so broken. I'm so fucked up.
God damn it, what's wrong with you? Fucking piece of junk. You always goddamn broke. What? What the hell is wrong with you now? What do you need fixed?
Everything. I'm fucking broke. Everything. I'm leaking transmission oil. My torsion bars are turned all the way up. I don't drive straight. I'm fucked.
Something easy. I'm not doing none of that. That's too damn hard. I ain't doing that yet. So simple. I got an hour. I got things to do. What are we doing?
Well, my lights are gone. They're kind of yellow and ugly too.
All right, fine. I'll do the lights. You got me. I'll do the lights. But we're gonna make this quick. You ain't getting much effort out of me. And I ain't doing a good job neither.
I'll take anything at this point. I don't care.
I feel like I'm missing something. Oh. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of How Much of This Truck Can I Fix Before I Put Myself in Financial Debt? So far, we're doing good. We only got a couple thousand on the credit card. We're gonna do the interior lights today. The lovely people at LASFIT or LASFIT, or however you pronounce it, sent me all of the interior lights and the third brake light and the side marker lights for this truck. So I had to do it. How could I say no? So shout out to LASFIT or LASFIT or however you say it. I'm gonna test your bulbs out. They look pretty good. I'm gonna put them to the test. But anyways, I was gonna just do the bulbs, but I'm missing a ton of stuff. I'll show you guys around. Let's just get to it, man. Let me show you guys what I got going on. We're gonna get some stuff fixed today. So we're gonna be replacing all four doors. This goes on the other side. It says it's for the passenger. We're gonna replace that in its entirety, just like all the others. These are all old yellow crummy lights. Half of these actual fixture covers are missing entirely. So we're gonna replace all four doors there. Then we're gonna hit up these lights here because there might be yellow and dim and cozy, but you can't see a damn thing when you need to. So we'll be replacing these two, as well as this light here. We're also gonna be replacing this and this side marker light. We're gonna do, I like the OEM style. I think it's gonna look better where it's gonna be red and yellow. Because these, even though they kind of look good, they've already started to fade out, kind of gray. They don't look that great. And while we're there, we'll replace the bulbs in them too. We're also going to be replacing this entirely because it's old and crummy and also siliconed in. I do have a new seal for it, and we're going to be doing the bulbs while we're at it because they are super not bright. I think we may even have the lights for the bulbs in the rear, so I will gladly do that if they sent them to me. That would be cool. So I think that should be everything that we're doing today, and let's get into it, you know what I mean? All right, well, got everything laid out. Got the new rear brake light that we're gonna be using. This was a seal that I bought, but this thing already came with the seal on it, so I wasted my money on that. Got the front and rear door panel covers. Got our side markers here, and then star of the show is all of our actual lights that we'll be replacing. I do really appreciate these people sending me these lights. It means a lot, and they look pretty good, and I'm excited to put them in. Yeah, so these do say right and left on them, but I literally cannot tell a difference at all. I don't know if I just goofed myself and into buying two more of these for no reason, but I gotta figure out what side goes where. They look identical though to me, and I don't think these are definitely the same. I don't think that matters. This front plate is broken, so you got a little bulb here. This one is blown out, I think. Yeah, yep, that's burnt. So there was that was broke anyways. And then this is broke as well. So this will just pop out, I believe. You probably just have to start prying these up, and if you can get the front out, you could probably slide the back out, just like that. Boom, sweet. Oh yeah, that's old. And this says right. Okay, so right is your passenger side, and it just has two tabs that you gotta shimmy them out. I like that little detail that actually says LASFIT on the bulb, on this little light. They put their brand on it. I like that. That's your old blown out bulb. Nothing to it. This definitely looks a lot fancier. Oh, okay, yep. Yeah, that's that. All right, cool. Looks like it goes in that black square. Damn, the middle of my eye is now blind. That little black square, that side plugs into the top. There you go. Yep, that only goes in one way. Then this all just goes back. Boom. That looks good. That's definitely brighter. All right, got the rear one here. It's probably melted in there or whatever. There we go. It's your old one. I don't know if this thing has lights back here. I'm actually not sure. You know what? There can't be. There's nothing to plug it into. Yeah, so that's just getting a new one just to have a nice new one, I guess. Beautiful. All right, shut it. All right, let's see if it's still on. Passes my test.
I'm gonna try and get my Monday and Tuesday done tomorrow.
Yeah?
Work this motherfucker today, buddy.
Right.
My dad hired his brother.
No.
No.
Bro, he's literally like... So now I believe the lens of this light should pop out and we should be able to replace them on both sides. Yep. Sweet. Nice. There we go. Beautiful. All right, the little metal things do actually fry down. They bend like that. And then, look at that, and they come right down. Sweet. You can actually see a little bit. Oh, here, let me get your fingers nice and hot.
Yeah, because these actually get hot.
Yeah, these do get hot.
Boom, look how much brighter that is, dude.
Mine just shove right in. Okay, sweet. Dang, yeah.
Dude,
That is a lot brighter.
oh, it's
That'd be
so
better.
nice.
That'd be a lot better. All right, I'm gonna try to put this housing back in. Oh yeah, she comes. That's good enough, I think.
Oh yeah, it's gonna...
It just snaps back in. Okay. Yep. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, you can see way better.
I'm telling
Pry that thing down. Boom. There's that.
Yep.
All right, cool. That's gonna be for your, I guess they call it a map light? I think that's your map light.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can see, pries down. They got 3 to replace, it looks like. Oh, it looks like one's missing.
Right here. So
That's your replacement.
Old to the new.
Yep. Yeah, definitely looks fancier.
Oh, it's up in there. Let's make sure. Oh, that's bright.
That is bright. What's the old one look like?
Night and day.
That is a big difference.
Night and day.
For sure.
Boom.
What's that?
Just clip her back up.
Again, little tab there.
Like that. And then
Beautiful.
boom.
So now you, yep.
That's
Plus that.
All 3.
Oh,
Holy
man.
shit, that's bright.
Dang, brother. Yeah, yeah. You can see the floor and everything.
Yeah, that's
Nowhere
so
near
much
that bright. Yeah, craziness. I think that's it for the inside.
Yeah.
But that's a lot of difference for 5 lights or whatever. It probably cost $30. Hopefully they didn't do all this because it like doesn't screw in or something and they like put it in place. Dang, I can't say I've ever had to like dig for a screw through caulk. Well, hopefully this is gonna look a whole lot better. Not being all yellow, crusty, and siliconed in. All right, there it is. All right.
It's still at silicone right in the
Let me
middle.
get that last. Oh, all right. Oh, girl. Well,
Not the
it's
worst.
not. Yeah, it's not like the worst. So it looked like these white ones are going to be the red for the middle. That's going to go here. And then these yellow ones are going to be the whites that replace this here. All right. That's white on the sides. That's correct. And then we should have red in the middle. Yep. All right, sweet. Twist to the right. Keep it tight. And then this should just pop in, I think. Yep, boom. That's that. Put back. Now I gotta see what I need to clean up to make this thing seal somewhat nice. Well, problem number one is that what this thing screws to just came off with it. So that's no bueno. That is not good. That's literally what this thing is held on to. So that sucks. Well, sadly we're down a screw. We're definitely going to have to put some more silicone on this thing. But, well, I mean, it already had silicone on it in the first place, so I guess we can't complain too much. At least the light looks better. But I'll definitely have to go get some silicone from the store tomorrow to get that, you know, proper. That definitely looks better than this old crummy light that I had going on here. That's for sure. Beautiful. All right, y'all, you guys remind me, red and yellow. So, all right, it's time to pop these guys out. You see why I'm replacing them, because they're getting like worn out. Same with this one here. This one here ain't as bad. Either way, I kind of like the OEM ones better. I think it's gonna look better. I think this literally just like, yep, there you go, just peels off, and then this will come through here, and we'll pop our new. Yeah, so these bulbs aren't replaceable, but it seems like a one-time ordeal anyways if you're gonna take this off. One side's connected and one side ain't, so just pay attention to what side went and where. Peel my sticky tape, plug it back in, boom, shove that back down in there, line it up, and that's it, brother. Boom. Oh man, this one's totally caked. Got some electronic cleaner here, spraying for the hell of it. That looks a little bit better. And now I'm right. Make sure that's in pretty good. And now we'll see how long these last for. They're so damn cheap that you could replace them every year and you still couldn't be too mad at it. That's how cheap it is. Stick it and forget it. Stick it and forget it. All right, beautiful. So it looks like now all we got to replace is our brake lights back here, which pretty simple. 2 screws hold it in place. All right. You know, I guess Chevy actually makes it pretty easy to change all these lights, I'm not gonna lie. Think about anybody could probably do this. Yeah, that ain't factory. No way. All right, so now I just got to figure out what these run into. Here you go. And LASFIT, baby. I like that. I like that little touch, man. That's really selling me. It having that. I don't know if I should replace the brake light. I'm gonna assume that this is what I'll be replacing, is the light that you see all the time, the running light. Place your nice warm bulb with one of these puppies right here. Oh yeah. Get your screw back in there. Beautiful. Looks great. Get rid of these crummy old bulbs. Now that we're done, you know what that means. Lights out. Let's check out what we got going on here. Ooh. Oh yeah, she looking nice, man. Them side markers looking nice. Tail lights looking nice. Bulbs looking nice. All right, let's do a test. Open this door, see what we got. Oh, smokes. Dang, boy. Oh, you can see all up in this thing. Ooh. Oh, this thing is lit up like a damn Christmas tree, man. Oh, you can see loud and clear in this, man. In this John right here. All right, now if you put these lights in, don't keep no illegal stuff on you because the cop is gonna see. if you got something illegal with you, you better not put these lights in because them cops are gonna know, man. There is no hiding. But you know what? That looks so much better. Now my question is, how good is that third brake light gonna be? All right, let's spin the nub, let it go out. All right, let's see here. Ooh. Oh, that was not that good before at all. Look at this, man. Oh, this is worth $100 all day. All day. Oh, those things are shining, boys. Those things are shining. Yep. I'm a satisfied customer right now, I'll tell you that much. That puppy is lighting that bed up like nobody's business. I'm satisfied, man. I'm happy, for real. I really am. I cannot complain. I absolutely cannot. That is awesome. Sweet. This is awesome. Awesome. I'm satisfied. Looks great. Oh, you're seeing everything. Oh, you're seeing everything, sweetheart.
That's crazy, Tony.
All right, now look.
That's like fluorescent lights.
Now look.
Oh my god.
So you can see your cargo.
Alright,
Right?
that's good.
Right?
I think it just doesn't help the fact that you have bright ass headlights.
All right. Well, now it's all. Now it's all
lights.
bright. Yes. Hey man, I've been slacking. It's like I closed my eyes and a whole entire week went by. What can I say? Well, a couple of days. It's been like 4 days since I did all that stuff. But anyways, yeah, the truck, I'm still happy with it. My only complaint, the same complaint I had on the headlights that other people sent me, are that if anything, they're a little too bright. But I don't really mind that. Other people may. I don't got tint on this truck, not really. So if that's a thing that you're worried about, then you know. But this third brake light, oh man, we're not even gonna talk about what I did. And oh man, just I tried and some stuff, and yeah, man, I gotta. Let's just not talk about. I ain't gonna worry about that right now. Anyways, sorry for the delay on this video. Shout out to LASFIT for sending me them lights. Sorry on the delay for all the videos. I haven't been entirely lazy. I've been doing a lot of stuff, and I just got my girlfriend's very first project car for her dream car. May show y'all that in a little bit, but hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. New videos coming soon. I don't feel burnt out now. I took a little break, so I feel good. I'm ready to do some more stuff. This thing needs it, and yeah, appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that. Do it for much. The more you guys watch and like and subscribe, the more treats and pet and I can feed her. She will starve if you don't like this video, because I need that ad revenue money for her frisky kitty toys and food and wet food and all that stuff. Right, Mush? Right, Mush? Oh, yeah, Mush loves. Mush loves the channel. Mush loves the channel. How much of this footage am I gonna leave in? I'm gonna leave all of it in. I'm gonna leave all of it in, the Mush. You're the star of the video, the Mush. Yes. Yes.